What's good, my people? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, guys, it's a 6 a.m. As you can see right here, 6 a.m. I just woke up early because it's about time to trade random session. As you know, guys, in a forex market, you don't just get in a market and start trading, but you need to have your favorite session that that you understand the move of the session. So according to my country time, these are my favorite sessions which I would recommend any forex trader to be dealing with. First, I have to wake up early so that I can be able to catch Tokyo session, which is happening. It's opening 8 a.m. and then 10 a.m. we're gonna have a random session as well. So I'm done making the bed. So right now I just want to do some exercise just to let my body know that it's the beginning of the day. So I'm first gonna open the my sliding door in order to have some air fresh. If you say doesn't even wanna open to fuck. Damn. So guys, let's do some push-ups, a little bit, not too much, just just to try to catch some new energy for the day, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it. Let's go, man. Let's go. Guys, I'm not trying to do some too much exercise, but I just wanna work up my muscles and stuff like that. Time for push-ups, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, plus 14, 15. Yeah, guys, just put push-ups, guys, are killing me. It's so crazy. So I think we're ready to go right now. I'll have some water. So I'm gonna brush my teeth. After that, we're gonna go to the market and now start breaking down the market. So right now I'm done brushing my teeth. So the next thing, we just wanna go to the market and start breaking down the chart. We're gonna look for the entry. We'll see which market which is ready to be taken. Yeah, just be patient, guys. You know, I just wanna put some lotion on my face. I like to keep my toilet clean. You know how it is, the vibes. I think I need to wipe a little bit so I can clean type shit. So guys, we ready to go. We're ready to go at the chart and start breaking down the chart. Morning. Guys, these are the most things which I like to have, special when I'm in the market. I like to have a peace. I don't want no distractions. I don't want no calls. I don't want anything. I don't want anybody to tell me what to do. Not at all. I like to have peace so that I can take my trades in peace with my own decisions.
Beautiful day. So right now, as we speak, it's time to jump in the chart. You know what I'm saying?
Now it's about time to trade with my team. Make sure you join my team. The link is on description below.
Just gonna give the notification to my free Telegram members, just to let them know that we about to start the day. You know, every day when I wake up, the first thing I do, I go to my free Telegram members just to make sure I let everybody know that it's time to start the day. You know, because some other people maybe they're still sleeping. No, guys, there's no time to sleep. So until we get there. So right now, I already let them know that it's time to start the day. So I'm gonna jump in the chart and look for these opportunities for the day. So I say, you know how I do, guys. It's a Monday morning, so of course, yeah, I see some AUDUSD is running so good. Yeah, say so. I'm currently looking for the opportunity right now as we speak. And as soon as I find the opportunity, the first thing I'm gonna do before I take the trade, I always make sure I send the trade to my VIP team. You know what I'm saying? And in a free Telegram group as well, I do give them some notification just to let them know like about the trade that I'm about to take, so that they can also play their own part. But VIP group, I always make sure I give them the signal that I'm about to take. Before I take the signal, I first make sure I share the signal with my VIP group. And the other thing, guys, you need to understand is that if you didn't find any opportunity at the moment, there's nothing you can do. Just chill out, wait for the until you get the opportunity, and don't force not anything in the market. If the market didn't show you any opportunity, just relax. Yes, sir. So as we speak, let me show you something interesting right here. As we speak, right here we have. Let me show you guys what I see from a decade. This is what I see from a decade, right? This is what I see from a decade right now, right? We can see that the AU decade already break the zone, so which means I'll have to be patient, right? I'm waiting for AU decade to give me some pullback around this area right here, just to complete the trend. Look at this, just to complete the trend. Look at this. So right now, this is what we're waiting for. Okay, from AUD CAD. So if you're watching this video right now, you already know which trade we're paying attention to. So after we get this pullback right here, we're expecting to move all the way over here. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna send this chart into my free Telegram group, so that everybody must understand what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for right now from ADCAD. So we got breakout to the zone. We're waiting for the pullback just to complete the 30 touch on the trend line, and then we expect it to move all the way over here. So guys, I hope you see everything. This is what we're waiting for, and I'll continue checking the chart, and when I find something, make sure join the Telegram group. When I find something, I'll send some chat like this in the Telegram group, and make sure I join the VIP group so that we can take this trade together. So this is my day in life, of course. I still have a lot that's going on. I can't show you guys everything. I cannot do the video for the whole day. Yeah, man, just that. So now I'm waiting for the truck for the market right there. This is the only thing that I saw in the market right now. So we gonna give it some few, maybe 1 hour. We're gonna have this pullback. After we get this pullback, then we're gonna enter this trade. You know, we just have to be patient. Peace out, man.